Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Tricknology. So today in this video I'm going to show you guys how to configure SSH on your Windows 10 computer. So you just need to follow me. So first of all, you need to go to this website which is called cygwin.com. After go to this website, you have to download for your computer. If you are using a 64-bit operating system, then you have to download this one, and if you have 32-bit operating system, then you have to download this one. Okay, so I have a 64-bit operating system, so I will download this one. So after download, just click on open, and after that click on yes. Now click on next. Now click on next once again and click on next. So after done, click on finish. So now you have to go to your start menu and type over there Cygwin64 terminal. After that you will get a screen like this. So you can put any command over there. Like in my case I'm putting here cd. So under that I can get all the files and folder over there. So I hope this small video will really help for you. And please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button. And if you have any queries or questions, then comments down below. I will see you guys on the next video. Take care.